My name is Dava Prima. I am from Ketringan. So Ketringan is a standardized catering marketplace. So we have a standard, for example, standard for packaging, standard for delivery systems, and standard for food vendors in our partner. So we came from the three main problems in Indonesia. For the first is fraud. Fraud that happens commonly in Indonesia. For example, the food didn't come to the customers or the price going very high for certain customers. This this is make in Indonesia people to make their mindset into branded mindset. So they prefer to order in a branded catering services instead of small medium enterprises one. This make an imbalance economic in Indonesia. So our solutions is we have easy and fast transaction system in website, and we forward the order into the food vendors, and we standardize the packaging, we standardize the delivery system into the customers. So we have a supply chains too for make sure that the raw material is getting standard. Everything getting started. So the raw materials are gathered in Ketringan warehouse and we forward to the all partners or vendor. We have three target market. The first is college student, the second is office workers, and the third is head of family. We estimated the market size in Indonesia around $73 billion and in Southeast Asia around $351 billion. And we get 15 until 20% commission in each box and 5 until 10% commission in supply chains. So we have deliver more than 5,000 box of food and we generate revenue more than $6,000. This is March 2019 until February 2020. And we are connected from laboratories connection in Telkom University, Indonesia. That's why we gathered and we found Ketringan until now. Thank you.